I'm so nervous. Okay.
So it's not just the property, but it's also the scattered. And I don't know, I don't understand like what you mean by that. Because usually when we refer.
This is the last bit. I'm I'm sewing this on. Last night was crazy. I had to do this half awake, like not good for my mental state. And now I'm balancing this on my bed. I should stop talking and just get sewing. Okay. This is not the ideal position to sew at all. So I have it on zigzag. Got it zigzagging. Level 2. Close down. Stretch it out. Oop. I think I'm doing this better with my left foot rather than my right foot, which makes sense because I'm actually stronger with my left leg. Everyone has that, so. Going good. Coming out from the shadows with an honest review. So, can I work out in this baby? I'm sure I can. Come with me if you want to find out. I wasn't expecting for this to actually be heavy. Okay. I can legit do this. I don't know what this one is. I just came up with this, but hey. It's called the butterfly spread. Butterfly wings. Okay, I'm done. I think this totally worked out. I can lift Shay, I can lift anything. Well then, can I work out in her? I'm proud of my progress, I must say. I wasn't expecting for this to work out. I gave up halfway and I put it back in the trash, but then I took it out and I was like, I don't know why I'm giving up so easily on this. If it's a piece that's already messed up, why not just do whatever I can to it? So that's what I did. I'm happy I have salvaged it. Thank you for watching, and if you have something that has a rip in it and you're not sure if you want to try something on it, don't listen to that voice that is based on fear. Just try and sew whatever you can. Hi Shay! Hi Shay!